Well, Ubuntu has come a long way from its humble beginnings back in 2004 to powering one of the world's most advanced laptops from Lamdalabs. This is the TensorBook Deep Learning Laptop. So if we take a brief look at this has an NVIDIA RTX GPU 3080 Max-Q. 16 gigabytes, delivers model training performance up to 4 times faster than Apple's M1 Max. Wow. Well, let's scroll down a little bit more here. Look at more specs. All right, so we have the NVIDIA RTX 3080. VRAM is 16 gig. CPU is an Intel Core i7-11800H. RAM 64 gigs of DDR4. 2 terabytes of NVMe PCIe storage. Display is 165 hertz at 1440p, 15.6 inches. We have some connections here, such as Thunderbolt and HDMI. You can get more information at Lamdalabs. That's Lam and then DA, Labs, one word. All right, so we have, with Ubuntu, of course, $34.99 for the base. The standard one is $4,099, and something with Windows 10 with up to 3 years support. It runs about $5,000. I would imagine with all of these, you can probably dual boot very nicely. So check out the Lamdalabs Ubuntu laptop. It's interesting that of all the Linux OSs they choose to pick, it is Ubuntu. Well, congrats to the Ubuntu team and Lamdalabs.